Here's a 2018 Cadillac ATS Sedan. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS Sedan was built for the enthusiastic driver. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, Cadillac CUE external memory control, manual tilting steering column, sports suspension, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Canadian Driver reports, "The steering feels responsive and is second to none in its class." Yes, it is just that good. The car grips in the corners better than a compact luxury sedan should, and felt very neutral when I was tossing it around the handling course. Cadillac is driving the world forward. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.